Are you constantly juggling information, managing projects, and trying to stay ahead in a fast-paced world? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of data, meetings, and tasks to keep track of, then today's video is going to be a game changer for you. We're diving into NotebookLM, a tool that's transforming how we manage knowledge, from staying updated with niche information to streamlining meetings and even boosting creativity. Stick around, because in the next few minutes we'll cover how you can use NotebookLM to manage client relationships, stay on top of competitive research, and even enhance your personal wellness and hobbies. Plus, we'll compare NotebookLM with other popular tools out there like Evernote and Notion, so you know exactly which tool fits your workflow best. We shall dissect the below listed points as ways you can use this revolutionary tool created by Google to be more productive personally and professionally. As we explore this tool further, keep in mind the below points on how you can use NotebookLM: keeping up with niche information, keeping up with general information, managing client relationships and interactive call summaries, managing project notebooks, sharing notes for internal meetings, conducting market and competitive research, supporting health and wellness, facilitating decision-making, managing travel plans and personal hobbies, planning presentations, generating and editing podcast outlines, uploading books and research materials. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest productivity and tech tips. Let's jump in. So, what exactly is NotebookLM? It's an advanced note-taking tool, but way more than just a digital notebook. It uses AI to help you organize, understand, and act on all the information you gather, whether it's from meetings, articles, or even your hobbies. It's like having a research assistant in your pocket, and it's incredibly intuitive to use. With just a few clicks, you can create a notebook, import your notes, and get started. Now let's get into how NotebookLM can revolutionize specific areas of your life and work. First up, keeping up with niche information. We all have that one area of expertise that we need to stay on top of, whether it's a specific technology, a complex legal regulation, or industry trends. With NotebookLM, you can curate a notebook for any niche. As you add information, NotebookLM can summarize key points, suggest related articles, and even provide context on concepts you're unfamiliar with. It's like having a personal research assistant that grows smarter with each note. But it's not just for niche knowledge. For keeping up with general information like world news or trends in broader industries, NotebookLM excels. You can set up multiple notebooks that track various topics, and the AI will organize the information for you. NotebookLM can filter out noise and prioritize what's relevant to you, saving you time while keeping you informed. Now, let's talk business. Managing client relationships is all about staying on top of interactions and keeping track of meeting details. With NotebookLM, you can create client-specific notebooks which house everything from meeting notes to project updates. During calls, NotebookLM can create interactive summaries. Imagine ending a meeting and instantly having a clear summary of action points, next steps, and follow-ups, all organized and easy to review. Other tools like Google Keep or OneNote are useful, but they don't offer this level of automated AI-driven summaries that make sure you never miss a detail. NotebookLM isn't just for clients, it's a great way to manage internal projects too. Whether you're leading a team or working on a solo project, you can create project notebooks to store everything in one place. NotebookLM helps you stay organized, generate summaries for weekly meetings, and even keeps track of deadlines. Compared to tools like Trello, which focuses on task management, NotebookLM is all about the content, giving you a 360-degree view of your project. Speaking of internal meetings, we all know how overwhelming those can get. With NotebookLM, you can quickly take notes, tag action items, and then share the notebook with your team instantly. No more scrambling to recap notes or follow up afterward. This makes it super easy to collaborate. While other tools like Microsoft OneNote also allow sharing, NotebookLM's AI-driven summaries make follow-ups much more actionable and easier to track. If you're in marketing or strategy, you know the value of market and competitive research. NotebookLM takes the hassle out of collecting information from various sources and helps you structure it effectively. NotebookLM's AI can help you identify trends, pull together key insights, and generate reports faster than traditional methods. Other tools, like Notion, require a lot more manual organization, whereas NotebookLM does the heavy lifting for you. Now let's talk about how NotebookLM can also support your health and wellness. You can create notebooks dedicated to your fitness goals, meal plans, and even track your progress. Whether you're tracking workouts or mental health goals, the AI can help analyze patterns and suggest improvements. It's like having a fitness coach and a nutritionist right within your notebook. Making important decisions, whether in business or life, can be challenging. With NotebookLM, you can use decision-making templates to structure your thoughts, weigh pros and cons, and even pull in external data to back up your decisions. It's a great way to ensure you're making informed, well-thought-out decisions. While other note-taking apps are helpful for gathering information, NotebookLM excels in guiding you toward actionable insights. NotebookLM isn't just for work, it's fantastic for your personal life too. Planning a trip? Create a travel notebook with itineraries, hotel bookings, and places to visit. Love a hobby like photography or cooking? Use it to organize tips, resources, and inspiration. NotebookLM can help you stay organized in your personal life while keeping all your favorite hobbies in one place. It's way more robust than apps like Google Keep, which tend to be more basic. When it comes to creating presentations, NotebookLM can be a lifesaver. It helps you organize content, structure your slides, and even provides suggestions for improving flow based on the data you input. Compared to apps like Prezi or PowerPoint, NotebookLM offers more than just presentation creation. It helps with the brainstorming and organization part of the process, making sure your presentations are data-driven and well-structured. If you're into content creation, NotebookLM has a super cool feature where it can help you generate outlines or even scripts for podcasts. You can input your ideas, and the AI will help structure them logically. It's a fast way to streamline your creative process, and the best part is, you can easily edit and tweak the suggestions to match your style. One more killer feature is the ability to upload books into NotebookLM. Whether it's research papers, ebooks, or reports, you can import them directly into your notebooks. Once uploaded, you can search, summarize, and take notes directly on the content, making it a powerful tool for learning and research. And there you have it, a complete guide to how NotebookLM can change the way you work, create, and even relax. From managing client relationships to organizing your next vacation. This tool is a total game changer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about which feature you're most excited to try. Also, if you want to get started with NotebookLM, sign into your Google account and start organizing your world today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.